I lost so much weight, my damn tool belt don't fit. Grab my phone. Alright, so we're at this property right across from the high school. He's had some problems with some prior roofing companies. They can't get this thing bought through insurance, which from the bottom I can already tell you it's got significant wind damage. Also the pipe boots are failing at this point. There's a woven valley here, which is a huge area of concern as far as repairability goes. So just from the ground I can kind of tell there's a few things going on up there that are going to make this extremely difficult to repair. First thing I always check for is see how many layers. Some people it may look like there's 2 layers here, which it looks like there actually is. There's a starter, so this is potentially a 2-layer roof, but I'll check that when we get up there. Obviously it's a 3-tab. It's something going on there for sure, just based off initial impressions. Let's just start here. 1, 2. So for all you guys that are wondering what we're looking for and marking up here on a roof, this is a wind damage shingle. It causes a crease here. You can see this one's sealed down. This one's not, but it hasn't been creased enough to actually cause damage to the shingle. So this does not count as wind damage. This does. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to see on this roof. Walk right by one here. That makes 3. It's pretty bad right here. 4. That one's stuck down, that one doesn't count. Some of these are a little harder to see than others. As you can see, this looks like a crease, but it's not because it's actually stuck down. We are getting into summer pretty good, so you know things will actually lay back down. So that's 5. They're not going to count that, but this will definitely be 6. Oh no, not too bad actually. This will definitely be 6. Seven. Looks like 8, 9, 10. Like I mentioned earlier, it's got a woven valley, so any damage around this obviously will cause it to bleed into the next slope. This slope, we'll call this 1. 2, 3, 4. That one's about to let go. Be careful not to touch that anymore. Okay, 4 on the right facing slope. Let's move to the left facing slope. This one shouldn't be too bad with the tree coverage and stuff, but it wouldn't surprise me to find 1 or 2 here. Which I'm not seeing anything, which is a good sign. Obviously, the woven valley. As you can see, these are not, you know, this isn't helping anybody here, so you know this would technically be a wind lift section. We'll count that as 2. Obviously right on the valley is never a good place to do or have damage when you have a woven valley. Back on the front slope, I think we were on 10. 11, Looks like 12. Let's check this valley real quick for any lifting shingles. All that's pretty standard. So where are we at? 12 on the front. Do one more sweep just to make sure. I'm sure I missed one or two, possibly. Moving on to the back. Looks like we have a same slope back here. I'm gonna start on this side. So it looks like we have one. This one's starting. All this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 9. This they're not going to count. Well, they probably will. So what this is, you can see that's an existing repair. So actually what I'm going to do is mark this off. Looks like a repair. 10, 11, you can tell it's creased it there. 12, stuck down. So this repair will fail. 13, 14, 'Yeah. Looks like 14 total on the back. Haven't counted anything there, but I don't see any from here. As you can see, the roof's got plenty of age on it. You can tell by the ridge cap. You can tell this roof's definitely getting up 15 to 18 years old. Severe granule loss in certain areas. I'm sure you clean those gutters out, you'll see a lot of granule loss. Like, I mean, look across here. Not only that, I mean, look at where some foot traffic is. Well, this isn't even foot traffic, really and truly. I mean, this is just granule loss. The fact that we've already got a missing shingle is concerning. A couple of these spots, I bet every one of these spots is not going to be repairable. We'll perform a repairability just in case. We'll do that now.